In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new invoice, choose the right client, add your service details, and send it off with confidence. We'll begin on your main dashboard. Look for the option to create something new, then choose Invoice. This opens a clean Invoice Workspace where the essential fields are laid out for you. You might see an automatically generated invoice number, today's date, and a default due date. These basics help keep your records organized. If anything looks off, you can adjust these fields right here before moving on. Think of this page as the container that will hold all the details your client needs to approve and pay you. Next, select the client. You'll typically have a list of existing clients. Use the search bar or scroll to find the right one, then confirm the selection. Make sure the client's name and email are accurate so the invoice reaches the right inbox. Taking a moment to verify this now prevents delays later and ensures your client sees exactly what they expect. Now add the service. In the line item area, enter the service name in plain, clear terms. Something like website maintenance or consultation session works well. Use the description field to add context, what you delivered, the period covered, or any key notes the client should remember. Then fill in the quantity and rate. The system will calculate the line total automatically. If taxes or discounts apply to your work, you can include those in this section so the final amount is transparent. Keep your language straightforward and professional. Clarity here cuts down on back-and-forth emails. Before you send, scan the invoice from top to bottom. Check the client, the service details, totals, and the due date. Spelling out expectations, like delivery dates, in the description can help, but keep it concise. When it all looks good, click Send. The platform will package everything and deliver it to your client's email, often with a clean, professional layout that's easy to read on any device. That's it. Invoice sent. You should see a confirmation on screen, and your records will reflect that the invoice has been dispatched. If your platform shows status updates, you'll be able to tell at a glance when it's been viewed or paid. With this simple flow, create a new invoice, select the client, add the service, and send. You can keep your billing consistent, professional, and fast every time.